Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to create an office hours schedule that repeats where students can sign up for it. So you'd create it just like you would a calendar invite, but it's over here with appointment slots. So I don't normally change things here. I go here to more options because I'm going to have to do a lot of things. So whatever first day you want to start your appointment slots, you pick the time. And yes, I know this says 6:30 p.m. And then you have the option of single slot or slots with duration. And so this pretty much schedules appointments for whatever length of time you put here. So, and you don't have to limit your kids to only be there for that time. If you want it to repeat, you can have it repeat weekly on the day of the week, monthly. You can have it repeat however you want it to, but it's easiest if you go to custom and you can select which days of the week. So if I wanted to have a meeting or the availability from 6:30 to 7:20 these 4 days of the week, I can set it to end at the end of the school year, so it's not on my calendar. For next year, I can set it to end on December 31st. It's just, these are all up to you. So when you click done, don't forget to add a title. I'm going to title mine delete this. Add a location. I just put my video link for my Google Classroom because my kids come to my the same Google link every single time. No one's abused it yet. And then description, um, come see me for extra help. Whatever you want to say, the kids can see it. You can format it however you want. You can do bullet points. So you want to change the date. You want to set it up how often it repeats using custom. You want to set your duration. So if you have 30 minutes that you're going to be available, then you could do 6 5-minute sessions, and so 6 people could sign up. It's Or you could do two 15-minute sessions, but once someone signs up for one, someone else can't. So save. And then so here on any of these, you can say go to the appointment page for this calendar, and this is what you're going to send the students and the parents or whoever you want to share with. And it shows the different office hours. So I probably need to rename my Wednesdays office hours because it looks a little confusing. So title it maybe office hours. And then so my students have the ability to come see me before school, during lunch, after school. They can also sign up. I have multiple slots that are kind of overlapping. They're not really overlapping. That's just how it fits on the calendar because I made those 10 minutes, so multiple kids. So that's the Wednesday office hour time and all of that. And these are the ones that I just set up for in the afternoon since it didn't start until October. So see, next week it's there all week in the evening. Okay, I hoped that helped. I'm not sure. I tried my best.